Hey everyone, this is Chris over at BMW Freeport, and today I'm going to be going over the backup assistant feature in the 2021 BMW M340i. This feature is very useful in that it stores your steering inputs and helps you back out of a tight spot or a long driveway. To enable this feature, make sure that you press the P button located next to the shifter, then select Backup Assistant, and pull into your spot. Then it says to engage backup assistant, just engage reverse gear. Then start driving, observe your surroundings and brake manually, and allow the car to steer itself out of the spot. Just hover your foot over the brake to control the car. And the car is completely backing itself out of its spot, all on its own. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact us over at BMW Freeport, located at 291 West Sunrise Highway, Freeport, New York. Have a great day, and stay safe.